Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you a AI code generation platform launched by Amazon AWS. So if you go to this website, uh, simply type aws.amazon.com/what is AI coding, and basically this is the AI code generation tool which is launched by Amazon. And for doing this, you need to create a free account. If you do have a AWS account here, you can sign in. If you do have this, simply log in with your AWS account right here. And after logging in, basically it has all the features, integration. So you can get started with a free account. Definitely check out this. And also they have their own VS Code extension as well. So if you check out, simply type here AWS toolkit. So this is actually the extension that I'm talking about. 3 million installs it is. So they also have their own VS Code extensions. So once you do this, simply log in with your AWS account, and they have their own autocomplete feature. Everything is there. Amazon Q and Code Whisper. So definitely check out this. They have released it on their website. It has all the features: code completions, AI code completions, code translation, code review, AI code generation, everything is there. So just need a simple AWS account. Simply sign up and simply create a free account, and then you can use it. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.